Hi, I'm Andrew Potocznik. Welcome to the 1 Minute Woodturner. If you're a woodturner, you're going to need one of these. It's a standard 100mm scroll chuck, but before you can get started, you need a insert that suits the thread of your lathe. So once you've got that screwed into place, you're ready to put it onto your lathe and you're ready to start working. Once you've fitted your chuck to the lathe, you've got a number of things you can use it for. With your spanner, you can cause the jaws to either open or to close, so you can grip work inside the jaws or you can grip things over the jaws, and you're ready to start turning. If you find that these jaws don't suit the project you're working on, it's dead easy. Take your spanner, loosen these screws, and you can take the jaws off and replace them with the jaws that are specifically suited to your project. If you want more information, click on the links below, and thanks for watching.